to another video. This is how to make a main menu in Roblox Studio. So as you can see, you want to insert a blur and turn it off. And now you will go to Starter GUI. You'll want to insert a screen GUI. You'll also want to insert in the screen GUI. You'll want to insert a text button. And you will want to place the play button actually wherever you want to. After a bit of simple editing, you change the color, you add the text. To make it round like that, you're gonna want to add a UI corner, and then you can set this number to whatever you want. So now we can easily go here. We have play credits, and you're gonna want to insert a title, a text label. You're gonna want to set the background transparency to 1. This is 0 and this is 1. Me personally, I like the white text color, so you can just change text color 3 to white. So now you're gonna want to insert what the hell? You're gonna want to insert a frame. So now that you've done that, now you just want to put the frame where you want. And now you're gonna want to put another frame, but this frame with a UI corner. This frame has a UI corner. Now you'll just want to expand the UI corner so you can turn that to 50. And now your frame should have a curve. It does look like a circle, but trust the process, it's not a circle. It expands like a union. So now in this frame, now you can put that was not supposed to be another frame. Now you can put a text button, and that text button UI corner. Yes, this video will addict UI corners in your head, whether you like it or not. So now the text is gonna say X, and then yes, this has to stay black, and then you're gonna have to put background color, and you might want to set that to red. And now what you want to do is you're gonna scale that a bit down. You're gonna harden the UI corner like that, 80, like that. Now you're gonna want to activate text scale. Let's just put rich text. Where's text scale? Text scale is right here. And now you're gonna want to put this right here. And you're gonna want to put something else in this frame, a text label. Well, this text label, you don't have to name it, and you can just put text. You want to put credits. That's the one text that's like you actually want to put it. And now you want to insert another text label. And then in this, you just write. You're just gonna write developer, and then your name. So now you're gonna want to close this frame. You're gonna call this credit frame. And now we good. So now, last but not least, in the credit frame, just close these two. Now in screen GUI, you want to add a script. Now we finally started scripting. So now you're gonna have credit frame equals script dot parent, and then you're gonna put credit button equal script dot parent, and then you're gonna put play button equals script dot parent, and then put title equal script dot parent, and now you're gonna put a dot at each end of these four things. And now you're gonna put credit frame. Now you're gonna put credit button. Now you're gonna put play button. And now you're gonna put title. Now you wanna put blur equal game.lighting. Something's wrong. Oh wait, I wrote game.lighting.blur. Now you're gonna put blur.enabled equals true. Now you put a play button dot mouse button one down. Click. And you're gonna put colon connect function like that. Yeah. And now this is for the play button. So you're gonna put blur dot enabled equals false. You're gonna put credit frame dot enabled. Oh, I know, it's credit frame dot visible equal false. Play button dot visible equal false. So the credit frame, now we have credit button dot visible equal false. Title dot visible equal false. And that's it. So now what you want to do is copy this code and paste it outside. We're going to put credit button dot mouse button one click blur dot enabled equal true credit frame dot visible equal true. And the rest of these you can leave how they are. So now if you open credit frame, you can notice that one text button. And now after this, you're gonna want to put x equal credit frame dot text button. So from there on out, you're gonna put x dot, or you could just be simple, repaste it, x blur dot enabled equal true credit and then this true entitle visible true, and that should be what it should look like. Oh, and before you go to playtest, you're gonna want to put credit frame dot visible equal false, and let's play the game. As you guys can see, this works perfectly fine. So I hope you liked this video.